Morning everyone. We're going to do a series of lessons over the next few days about splitting up one-digit numbers. For me, in Foundation and Year 1, there's nothing more important than this. It leads on to so many other skills. If the children can understand what the one-digit numbers are made up of, then it gives them access to loads of other maths. They can do all sorts of things and they can manipulate numbers in lots of ways, which is what we're trying to get them to do. So we're going to spend today looking at the number. Isaac, which number are we doing?
5.
So Isaac is looking at the number 5. We're going to do this in a really simple way today. We've literally, what have you chosen, Isaac? 5?
5 of my little dinosaurs and model.
Okay, so Isaac's chosen 5 of his models and we're going to split them up into different groups and Isaac's going to write the number sentences. So have you checked that there's 5, Isaac? Can you just prove it to everyone?
5 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's definitely 5 objects. Brilliant. Can you put them into 2 groups for me now, like we did earlier? So what groups have you made now?
2 and 3.
Okay, can you show me the groups really clearly? Because you've just put the wolf quite close to the T-Rex.
So there is 2 and 3 here.
So there's 2 there, and where's 3?
Right here.
And how many altogether?
5.
Okay, can you write down the number sentence for me? Yeah, that's fine. How many?
5.
There's 5 altogether, but what groups have you put them into?
2. 2.
Mm-hmm. Check your number sentence. You've put that 5 add 2. Is that what you've done? 5 add 2?
Yeah.
Is it? Can you check your model again? Check your groups.
3 and 2.
3 and 2. Good job, mate. Why don't you start the number sentence again? But you've got 5 add 3 there. And your whole group is 5, isn't it?
So 5 goes at the end.
5 is your whole, isn't it? Yeah, your answer.
At the end?
Mm-hmm. Do you want to grab your number line so you can check if you've got your numbers the right way round? Good. And what were in the 2 groups?
5 and 2.
Sorry?
3 and 2.
Okay, so you need to put one more number down, don't you? Good job. Okay, can you make a new group out of your 5 objects? Please? 2 new groups. And we'll write another number sentence. So rearrange your 5 objects. So what have you got now?
I've got 4 and 1.
Okay, move your T-Rex away a bit so you can see that it's a different group. Lovely. So can you write that number sentence for me now? What's still our whole, Isaac?
5.
5 is still our whole, but we've got different group to split them up into. Go on then. What have we got this time? Can you check that 4 with your number line, please? Check it with your number line one more time. Why don't you put the number line in front of you, mate? Okay, good job. Oh, T-Rex has fallen over. Good, okay. I'm just coming around here so we can see. So now we've got 2 add 3 is equal to 5. And 1 add 4 is equal to 5. So the whole is still
5.
But we've partitioned it in different ways. Can you try another way for me?
Yep.
2 groups. Can you think of another way? You can't think of another way. We've only got 2. Is there only 2 ways we can partition them up? Are there only 2 ways we can partition it?
I don't know.
Okay. Could you move those number sentences around at all?
Yeah.
Yeah? What could you do with them instead then?
So, like, if you were doing a takeaway, so your whole number will go at the start.
Ooh, that's interesting. So the whole will go at the start. What's the whole, Isaac?
Our biggest number.
Okay, which is the biggest number?
5.
Okay, so if you start with 5 and take away a number, are you going to end up with another number? Yeah, let's do that then. Cool. Start with 5 then. Okay, what are you going to take away? What are you going to take away from your group?
4.
Go on then. Do it with your Isaac. Before you do it on the whiteboard, could you do it with your models? What are you going to take away? Pop the pen down.
4.
Take 4 away then. Put them on the sofa. So you had 5. You've taken away 4, and what are you left with?
1.
Good job. Write it down then. Okay, Isaac. So we've got 5. Take away 4 is left with 1. Good. So we started with our whole. Can we have our whole back, please, on the table? Can we have all 5 back on the table, please? Okay. Do you want to do another subtraction then? Another take away?
Okay.
Okay. So what have we started with again?
5.
Okay. So that's the beginning of our number sentence. 5. Subtract. What are we subtracting this time? What are we taking away this time?
1.
Go on then. Can you do it with your animals first? Or just throw one away? Okay, just move it apart. Lovely. 4 subtract 1 is equal to... Sorry, 5 subtract 1 is equal to... Good job, you did it the right way around that time, straight away. Good, okay. Can you do any other subtractions?
I don't think so.
Have a look at your first addition sentence. Read that to me again. Read your first addition sentence to me.
2 add 3 equals 5.
Okay, so what if we start with the 5 and take away one of the other numbers there? 5. Can you take away something?
2.
Okay, so if you take away 2, what are you going to be left with? How did you know it was 3?
Because if you like take away 2, it will leave 3.
But how did you know that?
Because I use my dinosaurs.
Because you use your dinosaurs. Good. Can you also look at this number sentence here, Isaac? See this one here? If
Yeah.
2 add 3 is equal to 5, then 5, if you take away the 2, it's going to leave you with the 3. Okay, so this is really getting a good sense of the number 5, what we can add, what we can subtract, how it all works together. Okay, I think